If it hurts to squat, but you keep hearing that squats are the key to strength, well, there's something more important. You see, the squat pattern is one of the most important movement patterns that you can practice. But the key word there is practice, because here's the truth. If you got really strong at squats, but you did them poorly, maybe with your knees caving in like this, maybe with your lower back rounding or your pelvis tucking under like this, or maybe your weight distribution is wrong on your feet, it doesn't matter how strong you get, because eventually you will get hurt. So I wanted to take 1 minute today to teach you how to do squats with perfect form. That way, you can actually build strength safely, and as you get stronger throughout your journey, well, you won't end up hurting yourself. So let's start with your foot position. For most people, they squat way too narrow. What you want to do is imagine if you had a line drawn down from your hips to the ground. What you want is your heels to be on that line. So straight down, the insides of my heels are on that line. Now the second thing you want to do is slightly turn those toes outward like this, and you can play around with that foot position to see what feels the most comfortable. From there, when most people squat, they bring their knees forward like this to initiate the movement. That puts a lot of pressure on the knee joint and actually takes the pressure off the much stronger hip joint. So we want to do the exact opposite. Instead of bringing the knees forward, we want to shift the weight back to our heels and push the butt backwards to start the movement. Now, as you start to go down, the number one mistake I see that's killing people's knees is something called a valgus collapse. It's where your hip and your feet aren't active and your knees start to knock together like this, or they wobble inward as you go down and up in the squat. So to make this go away, squeeze the ground with your toes and push your knees outward like this as you continue to descend into the squat. What you really want to pay attention to is my knee pointing the same direction as my toes? If it is, it's in a pretty safe position. If it's not, you're probably going to end up hurting yourself. As you continue descending, make sure that you keep a nice flat back like this and don't round your back like this the entire time. And see if you can keep that weight on your heels, the knees pushed out, and your hips active the entire time. Once you've made it to the bottom like this, you can pause, reset, and then reverse the motion by bringing your belly button between your legs with a nice neutral back, pressing into the heel, lifting the butt off the chair, and then focusing on extending the hips forward like this instead of bending through the knees like this. When you practice your squats like this with perfect form, now you will build strength safely and your body will feel so much better and it'll thank you for it. If you want to learn how to do more moves with the perfect form like this so you can feel good in your body, click the link in the description below. Otherwise, make sure you subscribe and we'll teach you how to move better and feel better.